In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Cash App card number. So Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, stocks, paychecks, all this stuff that a banking or investment account can do. But you also have a card where you can spend your Cash App balance. Along with this, they'll send you a physical card in the mail. So if you're looking for your numbers, you can find them all on the physical card. If you don't have the physical card with you, you can see them right here. Mine are kind of blurred because of the recording software that I use, but right here on the card, it will show your numbers. If you want to see the CVV number and the expiration date, make sure you turn off this lock card toggle. When the lock card toggle is off, and the eye icon in the top right corner of your card is active, you'll be able to see all the numbers right here on screen. And then you can use those numbers to make online purchases. You can also go to Explore Offers and apply one of these, and it will work for these online purchases as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.